In this video, we're going to be talking about one-step equations. So if I give you an equation like x plus 3 is equal to 5. Some people would use intuition and they look at the problem and say 2 plus 3 is 5. But it's important to note that whatever you do to the left, you have to do to the right. And keeping that in mind, you first of all find what you're trying to solve for. I'm trying to solve for x. And so I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And so that leaves me with x is equal to 2. So I've used a systematic approach to find my answer. Now you might have learned of PEMDAS as a method of solving, as a method of simplifying expressions. And it's very important. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Well, when you're solving equations, you actually go the other way. You actually deal with addition, subtraction issues first, get them out of the way, and then you can focus on the multiplication, division piece, or any of the others left. And we'll talk more about this maybe in two-step equations as well. But I just wanted to remind you, with one-step equations involving addition, you subtract from both sides. Whatever you do to the left, you do to the right. And so if I give you another question like y minus 7 is equal to 15, then you add 7 to both sides. Okay, so we add 7, so y is equal to 22. Let's look at an example with multiplication and division. So if I give you a problem like 2x is equal to 10. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. And that gives us x is equal to 5. You can check your answer in each of these situations. And finally, if I ask you what is, well, one more before our final example, x over 2 is equal to 16. Well, the 2 is on the bottom. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. And so these 2's cancel, and x is equal to 32. And finally, what if I have the variable in the denominator? Now, what if I have 2 over x is equal to 10? In this situation, you would first of all multiply both sides by x. And so these x's cancel, so 2 is equal to 10x. Then you do what we did back in the example with multiplying. You divide by 10. And then you simplify, of course. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 10 5 times. And so x is equal to 1 over 5. So just a few examples for you to think about solving one-step equations. Here we have the first one. We have the second one when there's subtraction involved. We have the third one with multiplication. We have the fourth one with a division. And we have the fifth one when the variable is on the bottom. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you very much.